If you want to manage your NatWest credit card right from your phone, let me show you how to download the official NatWest app in just a few easy steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today's quick guide will help you download and install the NatWest credit card app so you can track your spending, pay bills and get instant updates. First, open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to your search engine at the top and type NatWest Mobile Banking. Hit search. Now look for the official app by NatWest Group. Check developer name to avoid fake apps. Then tap install. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs. Once installed, open the app. Log in with your NatWest credit card credentials or register if you have not done so yet. Always download apps from official stores to stay secure. Keep your phone updated to avoid compatibility issues and enable app notifications for real-time alerts about your credit card. And that's it, you're all set to manage your NatWest credit card on the go. If this tutorial helped, please like, subscribe and comment below if you want me to cover more banking apps. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.